Hi, I'm Carl Schilling, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Advocacy Network. And today I wanted to share with you one of the most powerful tools we have in our ability to help people gain financial independence. And that tool is our financial literacy workshops going on in areas all across the country, provided to you by our financial concierges. So today I wanted to give you a fast overview on what it is that's so important in those workshops. By the way, they're always free, and we don't have to serve a steak dinner. We don't have to entice you with anything. It's totally free, and you're not going to be hit up for anything during our workshops. Okay, so um, let's take a peek real fast on what's the value there. Now, the value in all the workshops to gain financial independence is the core values. We want to help you attain financial independence. I mean, it's clear cut. 95% of the population doesn't achieve it. Only 5% does. We want to help people to grow the 5%. We want the 5% to become 10%. We want the 10% to become 15%. So again, we're all about eliminating financial victimization. We want to educate people on financial literacy because so few. We live in the most financially illiterate society in the world. I am a certified financial education instructor, and as such, it's very important that I believe that people get the awareness that they need to know about financial literacy. So let's define financial independence, okay? That's one of the key issue. Very hard to go and get what you don't know about, okay? Financial independence is the state of having sufficient personal wealth to live without having to work actively for your basic necessities. The roof over your head, the car you drive, the food you eat, those kinds of things, the clothes you wear. For financially independent people, their assets generate income and or cash flow by dipping into the assets that is at least as great as their expenses. So in other words, you have more passive income than you have expenses. That's one definition of financial independence. Now, why become financially independent? Well, you can go anywhere. You can do anything. You be what you want. You can help who you want. You can enjoy your family because you spend a lot of time with them. And then you can have the lifestyle and life experience of your own choosing. You don't have to settle for anything. Now, because of the education we want to provide you, we want to produce exceptional results. We're going to stand by our clients as a financial concierge. That's what we do. In that role, we help all clients attain financial independence. All our financial concierges are working in tandem with you because guess what? They help you become financially independent. They become financially independent. Therefore, it is a true partnership, okay? It is a coaching and a guide type of role. They're guiding you. Your best interest is their only concern. That's the motto of a very strong financial concierge. And it's a journey that you're going to embark upon. The journey requires the first step. We'll go over that in the workshops, show you what the first step is. Now, after the initial action, in taking action, you'll be on the pathway to financial independence and ready to continue your journey as you go along each step of the way. Here's the situation. Procrastination does you no good. If you continue doing what you're doing, you're going to get more of the same of that which you're getting. That's just the facts of life. It's a universal law. You can't continue to do the same things and expect different results. It does not work. We're going to learn about the magic of money formation, okay? This awareness, it's an awareness that you need on financial literacy. What constitutes smart decisions about money? What is a consistent strategy with money? What are the focused actions you need to take in order for you to maximize your money management at all times? So in this workshop, we're going to discuss the first step to financial independence and give you a great deal of information in so doing. So today, what I wanted to make sure is that you understand the value of our workshops, okay? Now, as usual, a green button is getting ready to come up. The green button is going to have your financial fitness assessment. Take it, 3 minutes. It'll help you start to understand where you stand right now. What is your benchmark? Where are you at this point in your financial life? Not where you think you are, not where you hope you are, not where you wish you are, but where you are. 3 minutes. Take the assessment. Of course, a blue button comes up, and that is to enroll in our program. However, once again, this is about the workshop. It's not about enrolling. So therefore, you don't have to make a decision to enroll. But certainly you should consider our workshops so that you learn and become aware of what you need to know about how to become financially independent. And it's only going to happen through a regular, systematic plan of financial fitness, which we will provide every step of the way for you. Thank you so much. Again, I'm Carl Schilling. Have a magnificent day. I look forward to meeting and speaking with you all very